Welcome to our channel 1 to Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem step by step. And in today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can log in into your United Airlines account. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1 to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for United Airlines login just like this. And the second option where it says sign in, www.united.com, that's the official website of United Airlines. Click on it. Once you do that, it'll bring you to this page, which is the official website of United Airlines. Over here, enter your MileagePlus number, and then where it says password, enter the password of your account. And where it says sign in, click on it. And you should be able to log in into your United Airlines account. It's that simple. And if you forgot your mileage number or your password, you can click on these two options in order to recover them as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel 1 to Step for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys next time.